All right, received a question on follow-up and being able to control exactly when that follow-up goes out. So if you're doing work in multiple time zones or your clients might be in a different time zone versus you, this could come into play. If you're Eastern Standard Time and it's 8 a.m. there and you're calling or texting in Pacific Time and it's, 5 a.m. there, 3 hour difference, it could be an issue. So if you want to control when things go out, you can go into specific automations, and then under settings, you can control it to be based off of the account time zone, or you can give it a specific time right here. Now, this is going to be based off of your time zone. So if you were, let's say, Eastern time, and you're trying to make sure that you never text before 8 a.m. at Pacific time, you would need to say, hey, go ahead and start sending this stuff out at 11 a.m. And depending on what your cutoff is for timeline there, you might want to adjust this. But Monday through Friday, I want it to go from 8 a.m. or 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., which, if this was Eastern time, that translates over to Pacific time of being 8 a.m. And then as far as the 5 p.m. here, being Eastern time, that would cut off at 2 p.m. Pacific time. So, kind of keep that in mind if that's what you're trying to do, and keep certain time zones to where you're not having those issues. The other option is you can assign time zones inside of contacts, and it will appropriately control text messages not going out during certain time windows that you say you want things to go. But that would be, you'd need to make sure that the time zone is set in the contact to make sure that's working. The fail-safe to do it across the board is doing it inside of the automations and making it so that these will not go out outside of these time frames. If you have any other further questions, you can always reach us over at the community, ask your how-to questions. If you're in your reaching support area, just come over here and click on the community, ask those questions. Every Thursday, jump on one of our weekly Q&A calls, ask your questions. That's just an open forum, screen share. We'll answer questions and, jump in accounts if that's what makes sense. And that's an hour-long session where we just kind of help out and do, screen share via Zoom. Technical matters, support ticket, you can click on there and create that. Any bugs or issues, any things that you would like to see added, go ahead and throw that up as a vote. And then change logs. As we continue to add things and update things, we'll make some change logs and put in exactly why we did things, how it works, some screenshots, some videos, things of that nature. But if you need anything, reach out. Thanks.